Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi. Today I've got a super easy and delicious recipe for you. No-churn Lotus Biscoff ice cream. It's creamy, rich and packed with that irresistible Biscoff flavor. And the best part, you don't need an ice cream machine to make it. So without taking much of your time, let's dive straight into the recipe of the day. So first thing, we're going to whip our heavy cream for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets to a soft peak. So always do check the description box for all my recipes. I do leave all my recipes in my description box below. Thank you. Now our cream has gotten to a soft peak and we're going to scrape down the sides of our bowl, and then the next thing we're going to add is our condensed milk. So we're going to add the condensed milk and we're going to mix up our cream and condensed milk together to incorporate everything properly. And followed by our cookie butter. And now we're going to mix it up together for just a few minutes, just about a minute, just to incorporate everything together and just mix it up well. And then finally we're going to crush our Lotus Biscoff cookies, and then we're going to get our container, whatever you're going to freeze your ice cream in. So you get that, and then followed by the next procedure, which is layering your cream and then your cookies and also a drizzle of the spread. Just layer it and just make it look pretty and fun. So now we're going to cover it tightly, and then we're going to pop this into the freezer for at least 6 hours or overnight if you can wait. And after waiting patiently, you'll have this creamy, dreamy Lotus Biscoff ice cream. Let's scoop some out and let's see. This is so good. You can really taste the Lotus Biscoff flavor in every bite. Look at that texture. It is so smooth and full of crunchy bits of cookies. I really do hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, and when you do, please come back and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in my next one, and happy baking!